Hey everyone, let's take a look at what's coming new to Premiere Pro 2025 this winter. Adobe is rolling out some killer feature and we are here to see if they are worth the hype. So grab your coffee cause these updates are currently in beta, which is currently available on Adobe Creative Cloud. So let's get straight to the video. So I have beta version open here. Let's click on the new project. And you can see the project name and the location are the same, but what's new is this template dropdown. Adobe is finally letting us work smarter, not harder. So let's pick up the standard template and see what we have got here. We have these little folders here. These are empty, but you can add whatever you want in them. And in my case, I use 24 fps and this is not 24 fps. So right click on this, go to sequence settings, change here 24 fps or whatever your fps are and hit OK. So it will change to 24 fps. I'm not using 4K, so let's delete this. So what if I want to save this as my template? Go to file, save as template and write whatever you want and save it. Now, this is where the things get spicy. Adobe has completely revamped their properties panel and let me tell you, it is a game changer. See this. Remember we have to mess with the set to frame or scale to frame. They are gone. Instead, we have fit and fill options here. No more weird black bars in your edit. Check this out. Want to crop your clips for different aspect ratio? It's all here. You want to crop it from left, top, right, bottom. It's just here in the properties panel. It's all built in. You can adjust the position, rotation, scale, even crop without leaving the effect. Another thing is, let me tell you, what if I want to make my clip faster or slower? Before I used to do a very long process. Right click on the clip, go to speed and duration and then adjust the speed. But here on properties panel, you can just click on adjust speed. It's there. Too much convenient. Now graphics and audio got the properties panel too. Need to change the text color or adjust bunch of graphics at once? Easy. Just select all your layers, change the color, whatever you like it. See, I changed all my screen text to white just like that. Hey, hello, Adobe. Can you tell me why there is no position and scale for multiple graphics panel? Come on dude, give us that power! Still being able to edit audio and add effects from the properties panel is a huge win. Alright color nerds, this one's for you. Premiere Pro got an entirely new color management system and this is where the things get fancy. You can mix and match footage from different cameras and it automatically balances the color, no LUTs required. For the pros out there, you can choose old Rec 709 or ACES CCT color space. It's like upgrading from SD to 4K. In terms of color accuracy, we got the better skin tones, dynamic range and overall color correction. So is Premiere Pro 2025 worth the update? Absolutely. The new properties panel alone saves so much of time and with new color management system, it's easier to get the pro level results. Do I think it's perfect? Not yet. There's a room for improvement, especially with multiple graphics controls in properties. But yeah, overall, Adobe is on the right track to making editing faster and more fun. Thanks for watching guys till here. If you like this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Overtime Dudes for more updates like this. I am Maheshwari signing off. Till then, keep it awesome.